Welcome back to the McCall's Baking Channel. Christmas is almost here, and that means it's time to start baking some beautiful, tasty, holiday-themed desserts. Today we are making some perfect Christmas cupcakes that will look great on your table this season. We frost the cupcakes using McCall's vanilla buttercream icing and a large starred piping tip. Hold your piping bag straight up and down over the cupcakes as you squeeze out the buttercream in a swirl. Pipe the buttercream around the cupcake 2.5 times to get a perfect amount of frosting. Sprinkle some of the cupcakes with some McCall's crushed candy canes. This adds a very subtle minty taste and also makes the cupcakes look extra Christmassy. Use the McCall's Christmas Pearl mix of red and green sprinkles to top a few of the other iced cupcakes. McCall's coarse sugar winter mix will make some of the cupcakes look like icy cold and suited for the winter. Did it snow on those cupcakes? Nope, it's just sugar. Dust all of the cupcakes with McCall's edible white glitter to give them a nice shimmery touch. Add a few snowmen on lollipop sticks to a few of the cupcakes. Wreaths and Christmas trees also look perfect on some of the other cupcakes. The long sticks will hold the decorations in place and keep it sturdy once on the cupcake. Aren't these cupcakes simply perfect? They're a great way to kick off your holiday baking this season, and they're super easy to make. All you need are the right tools, which you can find on mccalls.ca. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube for ideas for more beautiful, exciting baked goods. We'll see you next time.